Hi guys, welcome to the AVC Labs channel. Have you ever encountered this situation? When you enlarge some images they become very blurry. But with the help of AI, we can quickly enlarge images without losing quality as shown now. So how to enlarge images without losing quality? Here is the online photo enhancer AI tools you can try. Just upload your image into AVC AI. Then turn on the upscale function. Here we can choose to enlarge the picture to 400% and it can improve the quality of the images while enlarging them. Turn on the face refinement to make the facial features of the characters more three-dimensional. Then just click on Start Processing. The image has now been processed. This will take some time, please be patient. Now that the processing is complete, let's take a look at the effect after enlarge and upscale. On the right side of the picture you can see the input and output pixels of the image. Swipe the vertical bar to view the before and after effect. Next comes the second image of Michael Jackson. The pixels of this image is larger, but we can also see that the details have been optimized after the enlargement. The original picture of the third picture is a little blurry. After upscale and enlarge, the picture becomes clearer. And the facial features of the characters are more three-dimensional. Finally, just click the red button to download the high-quality pictures after enlargement and upscale. If you are interested, just search for AVC AI and you can experience using AI to enlarge pictures for free.